How you doing, folks? Papa Joe here. Want to tell my batteries are getting weak. The light's getting pretty dim on you. Where did my other light go? I ain't sure how the batteries are doing in this one. That ain't much better. So, alright, well, I'm going to give you a little update on day one of our not smoking. We didn't do too bad. We was up by 6 o'clock this morning. Actually, a few minutes before. Finally, about 10:30, we did have a cigarette. Patches have helped a lot. The nicotine gum has helped a lot. Over the, and now it's 9:21, so, I'm sorry, it's about 10:15 or something. So let's see, that's 6, there's 12. That adds up to a whole lot of hours. Normally by now I would have done smoked 3 packs or more. Wife would have done smoked a pack and a half to 2 packs. So we can easily say that we would have smoked pretty near 5 packs today between the two of us. We have had a total of 9 cigarettes apiece. And yes, we've been keeping count. The later it got in the day, my 14 hours ran out there. I ran it up. I ate it up. And the tireder I got, the harder it was to say no. However, from 3 packs down to 9 cigarettes, I call today a success. So, I ain't beating myself up. I ain't gonna do it. Tomorrow we'll see about doing less. Maybe none. We'll see. I ain't gonna make no promises. All I can do is say is I want to quit. And that little light, I don't think it's doing any good at all, is it? Nah, look at that. I guess I need to buy some batteries. But yeah, it was good. Out of a pack, we have 2 cigarettes left over there. We are here at the yard. Hopefully have a good long run tomorrow, mellow one. We had chicken and dumplings tonight for dinner. Here out of the truck. Who is that? Sue something. Sweet Sue is what it's called. It was canned chicken and dumplings. No, it ain't nowhere near as good as what we make at home. But I don't know what that can cost us. But I guarantee you, microwaving that can there, it fed me and Mama. And it was a hell of a lot cheaper than eating out of a truck stop. It beat the hell out of a sandwich or a hot dog. I stopped by the store on the way in here. We got us a couple of the Little Debbie type fruit pies. I don't know if they're Little Debbie or not, but that tells you what kind of fruit pie they are. And we got a little bitty thing of ice cream. Which before I started making this, she was asking me if I was teasing her. So I take it that means she wants to have the dessert. And then we'll probably have that last cigarette apiece there and call it a day. And get up early tomorrow morning and start trucking. I was going to set my alarm, but I ain't going to do it. I'm going to just sleep until I naturally wake up. So that's our story. Remember, God loves you, and so do I. Keep us in your prayers. Ask the Holy One to help defeat this demon nicotine. It's a hard one to whip. We've both been smoking well over 40 years. It's a long time to have a habit. When you've been creating a habit for 40 years, you're not going to break it in a day. We will whip it. Love y'all. Have a good evening. Good night.